Does saving $10,000 a year sound impossible, especially when you're not making more money? What if I told you it's totally doable, without getting a raise or working extra hours? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step strategy to save over $27 a day. It's realistic, practical, and doesn't require extreme sacrifices. Let's start saving smarter today. First, let's talk mindset. Most people believe you need to make more to save more. That's not always true. Often the issue isn't income, it's where your money is going. Start seeing savings as a daily habit, not a monthly chore. $27.40 a day equals $10,000 in a year. That's a coffee, lunch out, or impulse Amazon buy. Now track your spending for 30 days. Use a simple Excel sheet like the one we've linked below, or a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB. Identify where your money leaks: subscriptions, delivery fees, takeout, or random shopping. You'll be surprised how much you spend without realizing. Focus on these three: housing, transportation, and food. These usually eat up over 70% of your income. Can you downsize, get a roommate, or renegotiate your rent? Can you use public transport or carpool instead of driving alone? Can you limit dining out and cook at home instead? If you cut just $5 to $10 from each of those three, you're already halfway to your daily savings goal. Next, set up an automatic transfer of $27 per day to a separate savings account. Make savings invisible and automatic. Also, simplify your life. Unsubscribe from what you don't need. Declutter your spaces and say no to buy now, pay later. Financial clarity comes from fewer decisions, not more income. Now let's talk bonus tips. Sell things you no longer use on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or apps like OfferUp. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey. Cancel forgotten subscriptions. Try no-spend weekends once or twice a month. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned, tax-free. Once you've saved that $10,000, use it wisely. Build or boost your emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt. Start investing, maybe through index funds or a Roth IRA, or save for something meaningful like a trip, education, or financial freedom. You don't need to work more to save more, you just need a plan. Download the free Excel template below to start tracking your savings today. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell for smarter money content every week.